Y'all, Ulta is having their 21 days of beauty and I can't stop myself. I see something, it's half off. I've just got to try it. So, oh my goodness, let's see what's in this box. That box had a total of 2 products in it, but heck, we'll see what they are. So first off is this. I've seen Glamzilla on TikTok talk about Smashbox Primers a lot. It's one of her favorites. So I've been wanting to try it. I've looked at it several times, never could justify the $39 price. So, you know, getting it half off, I got it for $19.50 during the sale. And yeah, we're going to look at it and see what we think. So this is the Photo Finish Correction Anti-Redness Primer. Y'all know I get a lot of redness. I'm not good at the color correcting, y'all. I tried to death to color correct these. Green all over my face. Not all over, but all over those. I still couldn't get it. So we're going to see what this does for me. I hope it helps. Oh my goodness. But you know, 20 bucks is a lot better than 40 bucks. Let me show you a little closer up. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just showing. I'm just sharing. Oh my goodness. Okay. I'm still all famboozled about putting the snail on myself. Algae 6 Silk Screen Complex. Now, I don't know which version she actually likes to get. I just got this one because it said the anti-aging and stuff. It is sealed. Of course, I'm opening it up. I want to see. We all want to see. Ooh, okay, so it's green. I figured it would be. It's color correcting, so this might not be the one she uses. There's that green. I was trying to see if I had a red spot I should try to cover up. Chemically smell. Not a bad chemical smell, but you can smell it. It blended in pretty good. I don't know, did it take any redness out of my hand? I don't know. I'm going to have fun trying it on and seeing how it does under my makeup. All right, what it says it features is it creates a breathable, silky barrier that perfects the canvas by smoothing skin and strengthening its damage against environmental aggressors like pollutions and blue lights. It blurs imperfections immediately, makes pores less noticeable. Yay! Helps makeup glide on and look better longer for all skin types, including sensitive, vegan, and cruelty-free, non-acnogenic, won't make you break out, calms the complexion and neutralizes redness with a satiny finish. All right, so it does have sunscreen in it, or is it silk screen? Silk screen, I'm sorry. Algae calms and smooths distressed skin. It's got rose and mushroom, which helps reduce the look of irritation. The main thing is that silk screen complex with antioxidants, hyaluronic acid, probiotic extract, vitamins, algae, formulated to help nourish, balance, and defend your skin. Whew, that's a lot. Let's hope it can hold up to all that. Oh my goodness. Y'all let me know if you want a video of me trying any of the products on I ever show you. I'll be glad to do it now that I've figured out kind of how to prop everything up here. All right, so let's look at the next product. So the next product is Peach and Lily. I've heard a lot about Peach and Lily, never actually tried the brand. So when I saw something Peach and Lily was going on sale, I thought, okay, let's try it now. This is the Matcha Pudding Antioxidant Cream. I got it for $20. It's normally $40. Yes, half off is wonderful. Love it, love it, love it. Oh my goodness. So what does it say about this? Best-selling moisturizer that delivers deep hydration and visible benefits. Drench your skin with instant and long-lasting deep hydration for skin that feels velvety, soft, and supple. Packed with antioxidants to help protect against environmental stressors. Clinically proven ingredients leave skin looking and feeling firmer. Complexion looks visibly blurred and more even. Soothing agents deliver a noticeable calming effect on skin. Sumptuous pudding texture soaks into skin without heaviness. Achieve healthy matte glow beaming with luminosity includes superstar ingredients like matcha, peptides, and niacinamides, suitable for all skin types, including acne-prone, mature, or sensitive skin. Alicia Yon, celebrity esthetician and founder of peachandlily, struggles with preventing severe eczema. With persistent severe eczema, she learned how to transform and look and feel her own problem skin with gentle, safe, and effective ingredients. Peachandlily formulated to create it, crafted with this philosophy in mind. Okay, I'm tired of reading all that. Let's just look at the product. So, cute little simple packaging. Let's open it up. It comes with a wee baby spatula. We love a wee baby spatula. And look at that. Hello. Ooh. All right. Let me take the wee baby spatula. Just do this. Ooh, no, that's not supposed to happen. I'm making a mess. Oh my goodness. Powder massage onto face and neck AM and PM daily. So, there it is. Okay. This will be interesting to try. I love to try new things. Always got my fingers in something. Yay for money savers. You know I love that. Who can resist a sale? And there's so many good things coming on. I've already bought more stuff. More things will be coming, so keep an eye out. I will try to get all this stuff posted. Who knows when and who knows where. It could be on YouTube, could be on TikTok, so check me out on both. Could be on Instagram, could be Facebook. Y'all, thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. Have a wonderful day, and God bless.